Hi, my name is Cameron and welcome to my playroom. And today we have another LEGO set, and this time it's the Snowspeeder. This is ages 7 to 12 and has 3 minifigures. Snow Trooper, Luke Skywalker, and Doc. And here's a look at the back of the box. And it has Luke Skywalker has a lightsaber that is blue, and this guy has a gun, and the bad guy has a mask and a gun. And now the complete Snowspeeder is done, and it flies very good. It can go up, straight, and down. And here's the minifigures. Here's Snow Trooper, Doc, and Luke Skywalker. And you see, Luke Skywalker has this blue lightsaber, and he has a helmet with a backpack on him. And he has little controls in the front. And here's Doc. He has a little gun he has the same controls in the front, and he has a helmet too. I hope you liked the Snowspeeder. I really liked it too. Bye.